In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine clustered column and stacked chart in Power BI. By the end, you'll take a single visual and make it show clusters by category while stacking measures inside each cluster, all driven by a simple helper table and a few measures. Start by opening Power BI Desktop and loading one of your reports. On the Home tab, select Enter Data. We're going to create a tiny axis table that controls the clusters. In the first column, name it Data. Add 2 rows, one with your main tables label and a second row for forecast. Now add another column called Sort Order and enter 1 for the first row and 2 for the second. Click Load. This lightweight table will act as a slicer for our measures, so the visual can show grouped clusters side by side. Next, let's create the measures that will be stacked. In the data pane, right-click your main table and select New Measure. We'll make a measure for one product, for example, shirts. Type the following, replacing names to match your model. Sales shirt L switch. Selected value, axis data. Large data, calculate sum, large data sales. Large data product, equals shirt. This switch checks which item from the axis data table is selected on the visual and only returns the shirt sales when the data value is large data. Make sure your axis table is present in the model and replace large data, product sales, and the product name with your own fields. Create another new measure for a different product like jackets. Sales jacket equals switch, selected value, axis data, large data, calculate sum, large data sales, large data product, jacket. Now add a measure for the forecast or target. Create a new measure and enter sales target equals switch, selected value, axis data, forecast, sum, large data, sales. Again, be sure to align these names with your data model. Time to build the visual. Add a stacked column chart to the canvas. In the axis well, drag in your region field and the data column from the axis table and place region at the top so it becomes the primary grouping. In the values well, drag your new measures, sales shirt, sales jacket, and sales target. You'll now see each region as a cluster with side-by-side columns for the data items, and inside each column, the measures stack to show the breakdown. That's it, your combined clustered and stacked view, all in one Power BI visual. Thanks for watching.